Hey everyone, it's Evelyn from EC Projects. I want to show you that non-alcoholic cocktails don't have to be boring. So today I'm making a spiced carrot mule that seems a little bit unique, but the beautiful chili and cinnamon carrot syrup that we made in our other video will go fantastically with some ginger and soda.
The ingredients are super simple. You start with a cinnamon and chili spiced carrot honey that we made in our other video, alongside some fresh lime juice, a little bit of freshly grated ginger, and some soda.
So we're going to start off with this shaker tin and 1 ounce of a chili and cinnamon spiced carrot honey. Then you want to take 1 knob of ginger and grate it straight into the shaker tin. I would measure out about a 1/4 teaspoon. If you like it spicier, definitely add a bit more. I'll bring out the nice cinnamon and chili spice in your carrot honey. Then you want to take some limes and squeeze it right into your tin. Before you juice it, you want to take some of the lime zest off, and that's what we're going to use for our garnish. Trying to use every part of the lime. You want to measure out 3/4 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. Add some ice and give it a good shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Then you want to strain it into your Mule cup. Fill it with ice and then add just a touch of soda. Give it a stir with a bar spoon or a straw. Top it up with a little bit of cracked ice so your lime zest stays on top and the drink stays cold the entire way. You can do it with a spoon, you can do it with a strainer or an ice tapper. It's totally cool to get a little messy. Garnish it with the lime zest that you prepared earlier. It smells fantastic. Plop it all on top. Here you go, your spiced carrot mule.